So here we are learning about the immune system. So, how does our body prevent infection? You can take a minute to think about this yourself. Either pause the video or maybe it'll pause for you. Our immune system has effectively two different ways to prevent infection, and I'll talk about those in a second. One of the interesting things about our immune system is that it is considered a functional system as opposed to an organ system. Most of the body systems that we've studied so far have been organ systems, right? A group of organs helping to all do a major function for our body. The immune system is not like that. The main structures of this system are actually a bunch of cells that inhabit our tissues. They're in our organs. They circulate throughout our body. The most important of these are some lymphocytes, dendritic cells, macrophages, things that I'll talk a little bit about in a couple minutes. And we have a similar system to this that also isn't made of organs called the lymphatic system, but we won't really be studying that in this class. When our immune system operates correctly, it protects us from a bunch of different things, bacteria, viruses, being probably the things you would think of first, but also foreign organs, right? You've probably heard about someone needing to match with someone else in order to to donate blood or to donate organs or to donate a skin graft of some sort. The reason is because the body might actually reject those things, and a lot of people who have organ transplants end up having to take anti-rejection drugs as well to suppress their immune system. Our immune system can even defend us or protect us against our own cells that might be defective, like cancer cells, if our system is working properly. And so we're trying to develop highly specific resistance to diseases, which would really be the definition for us of immunity. We have two major lines of defense for our immune system: the innate or non-specific defense, some things we have inherently, and also our adaptive or specific defense mechanisms. And we're going to talk first about this innate defense system. The innate defense system is also called the non-specific defense system. It responds immediately to protect our body from foreign substances, and we mostly think about it in terms of actually preventing foreign substances from getting into our body in the first place, though it does a couple of other things as well. We come generally fully equipped with an innate defense system. It is innate. Our skin is intact. We have mucous membranes. And we have an inflammatory response if something does come into our body. Some proteins maybe that are produced. So this innate defense mechanism really helps us both prevent entry and then prevent the spread of some sort of foreign invader or microorganism throughout our body. These are always ready. They are ready to go and they can act really quickly, and that's great. Our adaptive defense system is also called the specific defense mechanism. It attacks specific foreign invaders. It is not always ready. You have to have had generally some sort of initial exposure, or you have to have met that organism before or invader before it can protect you really against that invader.